Today guys, we are going to be making Akara. It's an West Africa morning dish, like for breakfast. Eat with bread, with Akamu for the Nigeria side where I grew up. Yes, so we are going to start. I already washed the beans. I washed the black part out of the beans. This is it. And I'm going to blend the beans with the onions. It's the first process. I have small blender machine or two, and later I'm going to mix it with the mixer. After I finish blending the beans with the just let it blend. You can see I finished blending it. So when I had a little bit of water because we are not making mueme, we are making Akara. So I already shake it. It's well blended. So I'm going to transfer it to my mixer bowl. There's a little bit of water. Just transfer it. It's not that much because we are just two at two. After turning it to the mixer bowl, you on the mixer. This is the mixer I'm using. I put it at 2. Mix it till get foam. After mixing it, I add my onions and pepper. It's green pepper. Stir it together. Add salt to it and mix it. That is where I was. So you keep shaking your oil. Your oil is still not hot enough. So we leave the oil like 5 minutes to get really hot. We're going to take it a little bit in the oil. See it, guys. I'm going to make a pap. So this is a corn. You can see it. You can buy it like in any of the supermarkets here, like Lidl, Penny, Kaufland. I don't know. You can get it here in Germany, maybe in other places like Italy, Spain, where there's Lidl. It's really nice. So I'm going to mix it with a little bit of cold water. You come back and see it, guys. So just leave it like 1 minute and it's done. It's ready. Come back to the Akamu. You add a little bit of cold water and you mix it together. Keep mixing it. So this is the Akara. It's not that presentable, but it's really okay. So this is the pack. I mix it with my hand to give it that look I want. The water I'm going to be using, like you already boil, just keep pulling the water. Keep pulling the water. So after that, you keep turning it. This is it. You just keep turning it because I'm using my phone. I don't have camera here. That's why you see me like using one hand and not holding it. So that is it. You put sugar, your milk is ready with your Akara. This is the last process. You can see the Akara and my pap. Just add some milk and sugar to it. Look at it, guys. That look. So it's finished. As I made my Akara at home.